Europass, opening doors to work and training in Europe. Welcome to the video tutorials channel of Europass Spain. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the tool to compare Europass curriculums. This is a very useful tool for small companies, given that it allows them to convert Europass curriculums into an Excel spreadsheet in which all the data are ordered in such a way that they can be compared. You can access this link to do just that. All you have to do is send an email to convert@europass2spreadsheet.eu attaching various Europass curriculums. In a few minutes you will receive an email with an Excel spreadsheet attachment. Please also note that, as is the case with Europass Online Editor, only XML or PDF plus XML file formats can be processed. Europass 2 spreadsheet does not store any data whatsoever.